Hi, and welcome to ExportKit. In this example, I'm going to demonstrate one of our brand new features in our 2022 release, and I'm very excited. So sit back, relax. It's pretty simple to get across. And be sure to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell for upcoming videos. And I know I haven't released many recently, but gonna get back to that. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take a look at our assistant. It's found in our tools section, and you can just click it. What it will do is it will start to render basically all the issues it finds with the individual frame. I almost said artboard. It'll tell you all the issues with the individual frame, or if you select off, it'll give you for the entire document. But it will have to scan depending on the number of frames and layers that you have. So let's just jump to I guess the single frame that we're working with. You'll see here that there's only really two errors, and it's do not end your layer names with an underscore followed by a number, and this is very specific because we index our layers, so you could cause a problem with the naming convention. And you'll see here that it also has basically a message. It's not really a warning or an error, but there's default layer names. Now this will change depending on the frame that you're looking at and the issues that the plugin finds. So there are a bunch that it will notify you of instantly depending on what it finds within your project. And again, you can either check the individual frame or the entire design document itself. It depends on you. Now we don't recommend that you continue without fixing at least the errors. When you see errors, you should fix these errors. What it will do is that this can affect the output and how it's rendered. Everything else, I mean, you could get away with it, but come on, change your duplicate layer names, change your invalid layer names. You'll be able to see exactly what's going on with your design outside of how great and fantastic it looks.